Hi guys, today I have another basic unboxing video of another cage, SmallRig Cage, and this is the 3164 Bravo cage for Sony camera Alpha 6100, 6300, 6400. So I'll take this sticker off, nothing interesting on the box, they're all these eco-friendly boxes. I'll take this one off. Bear with me. Okay. Oh, we got something extra in there, which is actually quite nice to see. So there's some instructions manual. Okay, so this must be the genuine polyfly because I did another unboxing of a cage, SmallRig Cage. I never came with this. This is actually quite nice. It gives me a bit more confidence this probably genuine. What's in there? Oh, a small tool, Allen keys inside. Once you open, you never cross. I think it's just an Allen key, which I'll take out. Yeah, I don't know what size it is, like it doesn't say. I will expect it to say, to be fair, that'll be a bit too much. And then we've got the actual SmallRig Cage. Right, you see this is far better quality, so I did get another cage, which you'll see in one of the videos, and you see the other cage never came in with the option to mount the straps on the top to lock it in. You also got the tool here underneath, which is actually quite nice. I can unscrew this, take it off, and then plug the camera to it, so it's actually very nice. Okay, I can take this one off, speed it up, and you also got see, you got this to lock up the bottom as well if you don't have big nails, which actually I like that too. It looks, you see, this is the, normally you can get a timber version, but the rubber actually feels quite nice. It gives me more of a grip. It just feels more grippy. I don't know if I'm imagining things or... So let's see now. So I've got my Sony camera, which I've never used. I'm doing all my recording on my iPhone, to be fair, which is maybe a bit pathetic, but yeah. So this is where you can screw the top. So let's see if I can lock in the bottom, see how it feels. Would you allow me to lock it in? I don't know if I'm hitting the right spot, if I need to. Yeah, that's it. It's locked in now. Okay, so you got, so this gives you a lot more culture mounts, if you can see. It gives you one on there for your, I believe, maybe microphone, one on there for your other whatever, but you got two culture mounts there. You got you can use all the culture mounts, which is actually quite nice. It goes quite nice with the contour of the camera itself, so there's a bit of a, it's kind of flush with the whole thing, so it feels comfortable in the arm. It does make, to be honest with you, holding it like this, it does make the camera a lot more substantial. So let's see if I want to pull this one out. I can still use it, and if we want to go like that, we can still. So ideally, maybe that's why they got another culture mount here, so you can see your screen. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, the only negative part I would say, and a lot of people have been talking about this, your hands, your grip is too close to the lens. But to be honest with you, to me personally, maybe because I'm still beginning with this, it doesn't make me that much of an impression. So slots, you can still open your battery slot, that's not an issue. You can still get an access to your other ports in there, no problem at all. Your multi-port HDMI and also plug-in power. This is for the microphone, maybe, yeah, auxiliary for the microphone. You can still access your flash, kinda. So access your flash in there. That's visible. So yeah, so definitely prefer this. I think it's like, again, this is a non-sponsored video. I don't get paid from SmallRig. This is a completely non-sponsored video. I don't know why they, so this is a bit of a, I don't know if you guys help me, like, I don't know why they supply an Allen case when this still comes with it, and from my belief it's all magnetically attached, so you can keep it in there without falling. So I don't know if anyone can help me with the comments below and identify to me why do they actually supply a why do they actually supply Allen keys with this kit? Not entirely sure, don't know. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize for the lighting again. I'm just using something temporary to record this video. It's not ideal, far from ideal, but I'll as soon as I move to my new home, I'll be able to put some better lighting on. Any suggestions on any lights I could use or do unboxing of, please, if you can put it in the comments, and I'll see if I can buy one to do a bit of a review. But yeah, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed. If you do like this kind of content, I obviously would appreciate if you like and subscribe this video, but obviously if you don't, I also accept comments and constructive criticism. So if you've got any comments for me, please comment in the box below. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching and take care. Have a good night. Bye.